The legend is back, and it's bigger, faster, and more advanced than ever. Welcome back to Bike Studio, and today we're diving into the ultimate hyperbike, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. If you love power, precision, and presence on the road, this machine is about to blow your mind. From the moment you look at it, the new Hayabusa dominates with an aggressive aerodynamic body that's been refined for even better stability at extreme speeds. Suzuki has kept the iconic silhouette but sharpened the lines, enhanced the airflow, and given it a modern identity that still respects its legendary past. The LED lighting, muscular tank, and wide stance all scream performance while maintaining that unmistakable Hayabusa soul. Under the skin, the 2025 Hayabusa comes alive with its massive 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, tuned for smoother, stronger, and cleaner power delivery. Suzuki has upgraded the internal components for better thermal efficiency, improved combustion, and increased durability. The result is a bike that accelerates with a ferocity you can feel in your chest, yet remains refined enough for long-distance touring. Whether you're cruising at low RPMs or unleashing the beast on open highways, the power band feels endless and intoxicating. Suzuki has also taken rider control to the next level with its advanced electronics package. You get multiple power modes, a refined traction control system, launch control, cornering ABS, engine brake control, and the latest version of the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System. Every feature has been tuned to offer maximum confidence, whether you are riding in the city, carving through twisties, or pushing limits on a highway. The updated quickshifter delivers ultra-smooth shifts both up and down, making every ride feel like a racetrack experience. Handling has also been significantly improved. The 2025 Hayabusa features a lightweight yet strong chassis, updated suspension tuning, and improved aerodynamics that keep the motorcycle planted even at extreme speeds. The balance between agility and stability is something Suzuki has truly perfected. The Brembo braking system provides powerful and consistent stopping performance, giving riders that extra confidence when dealing with high-speed situations. Comfort is another area where the new Hayabusa shines. The riding position has been adjusted just slightly to reduce fatigue during long rides while maintaining full control and an aggressive feel. The seat cushioning is improved, and the redesigned handlebars make long-distance journeys more enjoyable. The instrument cluster is a blend of analog dials and a high-resolution TFT display, providing all essential ride information in a stylish and easy-to-read layout. Every detail of the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa has been designed to deliver thrill, style, and unmatched performance. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement, a legacy, and a dream machine for riders around the world. If you're someone who craves power with precision, the new Hayabusa is ready to take you into the future of hyperbikes. This is Bike Studio, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Hayabusa, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful machine reviews.